A star. How would I describe a star in simple terms? Well, there's always the common comparison of a star is a stellar nuclear reactor, such as this. But there is one slight change to that, where this uses nuclear fission controlled to make energy. What a star does is nuclear fusion to make energy in the form of light and heat through either UV or just general heat. And the other thing you could use as a comparison between the sun and something like terrestrial bound is a blender. It is a stellar blender because it has a whole bunch of stuff in it, because they're like millions of kilometers wide, and it just slowly, over millions of years, starts just blending random stuff within it to create its fuel and create its heat and energy. Now, the sun, we all know, bright as hell, lights up our days. If it went supernova, we would die. But it isn't the biggest thing, as you may know. It isn't the biggest thing in the universe. There are things way bigger than our sun. There is Betelgeuse, or Putaka, which is a red supergiant, or not Sirius, not that one, Canopus, which is a bluey white supergiant, also known as Atutahi. Now, there is a measurement, luminosity, which is used, well, lux is the basic one, but luminosity we use on stars, and it is based off how bright is blank, say Betelgeuse, to the sun. Now, Betelgeuse, which is, of course, a supergiant, so it's massive, is 14,000 suns, about that much. And then, get out of here. Canopus is about 10,700 suns, or about that much. They have a overall magnitude of either, for Betelgeuse, negative 5.6, or negative, or a 0.07 difference of negative 5.53 for Canopus. Canopus, through our skies, because it is slightly, is it closer? Betelgeuse is about 0.5 apparent magnitude through our skies, through refraction or whatever the hell, and Canopus is a measurement of negative 0.74, so it is brighter than Betelgeuse, most likely because it is closer to us. Actually, double check that here. Just like pop up some Google results or Stellar results on their light years. So, camera's moved. Accidentally nudged it. What is the difference between luminosity and magnitude? Well, luminosity, as I stated earlier, is based off the sun. Magnitude is based off the first other star that wasn't a planet, other star that was found in our sky, Sirius. Which, if it is in your sky, because you may be in the northern, if you ever travel somewhere, in the northern, I don't know if it pops up in the northern sky, but most of the time you'll find Sirius because it has a distinct, like proper twinkling in the night sky to the human eye. That was the first one the Greeks found. So they now base magnitude for all of these on Sirius. Which, I don't know why they didn't just figure out well, then again, it's ancient times. What am I talking about? So yeah, that's the difference between luminosity and magnitude. Luminosity, based off the thing that can burn our eyes to death, and then magnitude based off a distant star that has a very distinct twinkling pattern in the sky. And you can actually see that in the telescope, just saying. So yeah, based off local star, random star. Local star, random star. There we go.